Installing Windows 11 is simple if you follow these steps. First, check that your computer meets the minimum requirements: a compatible processor, at least 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, and TPM 2.0 enabled. You can verify this using Microsoft's PC Health Check tool. Second, back up your important files. Even though the installation usually keeps your data, it's always safer to have a backup. Third, go to Microsoft's official website and download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Run the tool, accept the license terms, and follow the instructions. Fourth, the assistant will download Windows 11 and begin the installation. This process may take some time depending on your internet speed and hardware. Fifth, your computer will restart several times during installation. Don't worry, this is normal. After the final reboot, you'll see the new Windows 11 interface. Finally, set up your system. Choose your language and region. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Microsoft account, and adjust privacy settings. And that's it. You now have Windows 11 installed, ready to enjoy its new design, productivity features, and improved performance.